Catch up!
Right! Let's kick some holy shit!
Turrets! Take cover!
That was close. Jesus Christ! It's my first fucking day!
Shit! Anybody left?
Me, I think.
Figures. We have to rendezvous with Bravo team or we're dead. Keep pushing forward. I'll meet you there.
Copy that. Welcome to the daily grind.
Protected and Wally!
It's a little hot out here. I'll keep pushing forward.
Marshal units, prepare for airstrike.
Shit, that helps. Hey, you! We gotta find... Fuck!
Better hustle, newbie. Bravo team is ready to move in.
I'm not exactly taking a coffee break here.
Marshal scum!
Oh, fight me! Ugh.
Newbie, you still alive?
You sound like you lost the pool.
Fall in. We'll use this APC for cover.
A rolling shield. Nice.
Nah, I'm delighted you approve. Bailey, make a hole.
Roger that.
Don't you ever shoot me again. Now let's go! Through the breach. Go, go, go! Keep it up, team. Let them have it.
Yeah, you guys fucked with the wrong multinational private military corporation.
Distract him for me!
Hey, this may be a weird time to ask, but do we get hazard pay?
You get a performance bonus for outstanding work, if you survive to collect it.
Got it. Just trying to understand the pay structure.
Bailey, hold up! Marshal, clear the field!
Yes, ma'am.
Gunner down!
Shit! Whoa, take the turret!
I got it. I'm good with these.
That's not... You are damn lucky we don't have time to argue. Take that turret, damn it! Marshal, cover! Another round! Newbie, they got the RPG up top. Good work. Now engage the others.
See? Told you I was good with these.
Just shut up and shoot. Point that shit somewhere else.
Ha!
You don't mess. Chopper, take it out before it cuts us down.
Not so funny when you're taking fire, huh?
Driver's hit. Bailey, you all right?
Bailey! Bailey, get your foot off the gas! Oh, shit! Gwen? Gwen, can you hear me? Anybody?